Horses out, the tailwind. Best to begin, perfect choice. Down on the inside is ready to rumble. Racing in fourth, Royal Biba alongside Tameret Kata. Then followed by Tatara and NC is the early trailer. Tailwind by about 2.5 lengths. Ready to rumble in second. 4 lengths away in third. Perfect choice. Royal Biba now moving up to take fourth. Tameret Kata in fifth. Tatara and NC trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths off the pace. Tailwind by Abaranek and on the outside is ready to rumble, fighting it out for the lead. 7 lengths away in third is Royal Biba, then followed by Perfect Choice. Tatara next on line, NC and Tameret Kata. Ready to rumble, now takes the lead. Down on the inside is Tailwind, who's fighting back. And about 5 lengths away in third is moving up now Royal Biba, Perfect Choice. Ready to rumble now by Abaralenka. Tailwind is back in second. And here comes Royal Biba, now trying to get closer in third. Perfect Choice. Ready to rumble by only 3 lengths. Then here comes Royal Biba, Perfect Choice, Tailwind. Ready to rumble, Royal Biba is on the outs, now lifting down on the inside. But it's still ready to rumble by about 2 lengths of Royal Biba. And finally, it's ready to rumble. Second, Royal Biba. Then comes Perfect Choice, Close, Tailwind, and Tatara.
Well, yun ang naging diskarte ni Jeff and it paid off.
Oo, at Timano, nilapitan na